What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your US Bank's online banking account. And with that said, if you guys don't know how to do it, then watch the video until the end. And US Bank is a Bank of America, alright? So just keep that in mind. And with that said, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? First step, search for US Bank online banking login and click on the first link over here. It will bring you to this website. Over here, click on versus login and then you want to enter your username over here where it says username and then enter the password of your account where it says password over here just like this. And then click on login and you should be able to log in into your US Bank's online banking account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day everybody.